So are you excited?
Very excited.
You're excited about going to school, the potential of going to school in the U.S.
Mm-hmm.
Why?
Because it's a good school.
Okay.
Congratulations on your acceptance and this moment that you will never forget.
So Sanoa got into San Diego State. Now her college decision just got a little more complicated. As some of you know, she got into her top choice in London for university, and now she's comparing that to San Diego State. So we're making a trip to California. We're gonna be there for close to a week. We're gonna visit the school, check out the surrounding neighborhood, the city. We're even gonna take a little side trip up to Los Angeles and do some sightseeing. But the ultimate goal is by the end of this trip for Sanoa to make a decision on where she is gonna go to university. So we're gonna bring you guys along for that. All the anxiety that I have as a dad of seeing Sanoa go back to the US after we left, it's all very scary. But I have to admit, I'm also really excited because she is potentially going to the same university that I went to, a university that really set us up for success, and I think it would do the same for her. But of course, this is Sanoa's journey, not ours. It's her decision, not ours. And just because we chose to leave the United States, that's not the same decision for her. But her experience has certainly given her perspective, made her a worldly woman. And now she can go back to the US with a perspective that a lot of people don't have, especially when they're starting their educational journey at a university. So let's see where this journey takes her. I mean, you haven't lived in the US for almost 6 years. Really longer than that, because we lived in Japan for a long time. You visited schools in the UK too, right? And now you're doing a comparison. But you know, me and mommy are scared, dude. Like, it's America. And you haven't been there a while. We're scared because we made the choice to leave, right? And you're making the choice to potentially go back, which I think is all a part of everyone's journey. You don't do it just because we did it. You have the choice to go anywhere in the world.
Yeah.
And so you got a lot to be excited about. We're just gonna miss you. But how selfish would that be for us to say, oh, you can't get an education where you want to get an education.
Yeah.
Right? What's funny is I went to the same school. I'm an alumni.
Yeah.
So I know it's a good school if it did right by me, you know.
And I'll be studying the same exact thing as you.
You'll be having the same major as me. So that's gonna be crazy. Wow. This was my first job, working at Thrifty's.
That's so fun.
What? They had the best chocolate malted crunch. That was my flavor. It's gonna take us right down to the beach over here. That building right there that you're filming, that's the building we live in. Oh my God, it's so bad. That's the back door we used to go through. Crenshaw Boulevard.
I know, I've heard of Crenshaw.
You heard of Crenshaw? Oh, thank you. That's a side of fries? That's crazy. That's serious. Hey, Jim!
So you said these are only like 5 million? Imagine like how rich these people are.
I know.
So
excited? Mommy's gonna be crying like a little baby when she drops you off. Not me. I might not even stop the car, to be honest with you.
Just throw all my stuff out in the truck.
We used to live on that road, Alvarado, right there.
In joining. After the tour, you can definitely talk to a recruiter. They'd be more than happy to give you information. So over here on your right, we have our exercise nutritional sciences building. Through this building here.
Are you drawing the graphs? Pool, a basketball court.
Heating services, TV streaming, and wireless.
They got your bag. Oh, that's nice.
And the room also comes with a micro fridge, which is
Yeah, this is the type of stuff Mommy used to do. She used to do this right here. It says the brain-body connection.
So what did you think, Sanoa? That was an incredible week at San Diego State and in San Diego.
Yes, it was.
So the big decision, what's it gonna be? Go to school in London or go to school in San Diego?
Drum roll, please. San Diego.
I knew it was gonna be San Diego.
Yeah.
At what moment did you realize that it was gonna be San Diego?
I think when I stepped on the campus, it just everything was like, yeah, this is the place for me.
You felt that vibe, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I knew it. I could see it on your face. It's the same feeling I had when I went off to college.
Yeah.
You know what? You're making the right decision. I'm gonna miss you, but I know that you are gonna flourish at San Diego State. There was just so many resources. The community there just seemed so strong.
Yeah.
And you just look like a fish in water.
Yeah, I'm excited.
All right, girl. I love you.
Love you too.
This is so nice out here.